Hey guys, Mike Helms here. I'm the firearms historian. Let's talk about the Smith Wesson Model 1. This is the Smith Wesson Model 1. This was the first American-made metallic cartridge load revolver. So it's actually a really important gun in gun history. The Model 1 was produced over 26 years. It was made from 1857 to about 1883. And I've got three examples here. I'm going to talk about the three different issues of these guns. The issues, broadly speaking, refer to when the gun was made. The first issue guns were made in the first 3 years, so that would be from 1857 to about 1860. The second issue of these guns were made from 1860 to 1868. And then the third issue of these guns were made from 1868 to about 1883. We don't know exactly when production ended, but we think it was in the 1882 to 1883 time reign. The first issue of the Model 1 is the rarest. There was only about 11,000 of these gun made. In comparison, there was over 120,000 of the second and the third issue made. So these are a little bit rarer, but you can still find them out there. They were made from 1857 to 1860, and there's a couple of ways that you can tell the first issue. One way is that you can see the frame here is entirely rounded and smooth. And if I hold up a second issue in comparison, you can see that the frame is flat here. It's perfectly flat, whereas on the first issue, it's all nice and round. The first issue is probably a little more comfortable gun to hold, but it was also a more difficult gun to manufacture, and I think that's why they stopped doing that. Of course, the first issue also has this flared grip on the bottom. The second issue also had that flared grip, but you can see the third issue has a rounded grip, so that's an easy way to tell the first and the second issues from the third issues.